The LifeSpan Ampera is a revolutionary desk bike that combines work and wellness. It is designed to help people stay active and productive while they work and to generate power while they ride. The Ampera features a relatively compact design that keeps the user in an upright position thanks to its standing construction. This ensures optimal comfort and range of motion. The unit is capable of pumping out 65 W of charging power to a USB-C port or the 15 W wireless charging pad when the rider cycles at a rate of 60 revolutions per minute. The Ampera can power 2 devices at once and can be monitored via the accompanying smartphone app where users can change light colors, check calories burned, and more. The unit weighs in at 68 pounds and features Bluetooth 5 connectivity. The Ampera is a great way to stay active and productive while at work. It is also a sustainable way to generate power for your devices. Benefits of the LifeSpan Ampera. Stay active while you work. Boost your productivity. Generate power for your devices. Reduce your carbon footprint. Improve your overall health and well-being. Features of the LifeSpan Ampera. Compact and ergonomic design. 65 watts PD fast charging. 15 watts wireless charging. Smartphone app connectivity. Bluetooth 5 connectivity. Durable and sustainable construction. The LifeSpan Ampera is a great choice for anyone who wants to improve their work-life balance and live a healthier lifestyle. It is also a great option for businesses and organizations that are looking for ways to reduce their environmental impact. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.